Students of BSc Part 2, a very good morning and welcome all of you to today's lecture. Dear students, in our previous lecture, we were expressing of physical chemistry, paper 3, chosen unit 2 as thermodynamic 2, and we were defining about the drawback and limitation of first law of TD and need of second law of TD. Title is drawback of first law of TD and need of second law of TD of paper 3 physical chemistry. Once again, I repeat, what are the limitation drawbacks of first law of TD? As you know, first law of define us the necessarily state variable conditions by all means of energy, including that is of principle of conservation of energy, but it has some drawback in which according to first law of TD all the equal amount of heat can be converted into its equal work. But obviously it is the true fact. According to second law of TD, all the absorbed heat may not be calculated, may not be transferred into its equal work. In the classroom, by consideration, by using various example and illustration, we define, dear students, according to second law of TD, the work should be calculated in terms of, in respect of fractional form. So on the behalf of Carnot cycle, the title I have mentioned here, you know this one title, Carnot cycle for an ideal gas. You know about that is of Carnot. Carnot was the famous scientist who firstly in 1894 calculate the absorbed heat into its equal, which should be changed into that is a fractional work calculated here, and on the behalf of various terms, postulates, terminology used in that is of second law of TD. So on the behalf of Carnot, the title now becomes Carnot cycle for an ideal gas. In compact form, one can write as that is of Carnot cycle. Dear students, Carnot in 1894 on the behalf of various parameters, equipments, conceptual, terminology, absorb heat, one can calculate into its fractional work. So now it becomes here that is of a heat engine and that is of heat reservoir, two important devices here. Once again I have mentioned on the blackboard here, by using cyclic reversible process, absorb heat one can calculate into its fractional work. Secondly, for the conversion of absorbed heat into that is of fractional work, depending upon, based upon two important devices here. These two devices here I have mentioned on the blackboard here. Further, that is of heat engine and that is of heat reservoir. Now it becomes essential how you define heat engine and what is the role for the conversion of absorbed heat into fractional work here. So now title I have mentioned on the blackboard here, heat engine. Dear students, now I am going to define about heat engine, the selected or chosen device which is imaginary, which has been used for the conversion of absorbed into that is of its fractional work, such imaginary device or cylinder is known as heat engine. Listen to me once again. The selected imaginary device, the chosen imaginary cylinder for the conversion of heat into its fractional work is known as that is of heat engine. This now second one, that is of heat reservoir. Here I am proceeding here further. Suppose among the students I assume this container, choke box, I am assuming here as a heat engine. It will act between that is of two heat reservoir. First one symbolized by as duster, second one symbolized by as that is of sheet or lid. Once again, this heat engine acts between two important heat reservoir. First one heat reservoir and that is of second one heat reservoir here. Now it becomes essential how will you define about that is of heat reservoirs. Dear students, heat reservoirs further divided into that is of two subtypes here. Heat reservoir are those systems having the same temperature are known as that is of heat reservoir. Listen to me once again. Suppose this container I chose here, I consider here as an heat engine. This heat engine is now act between two important heat reservoir. First one heat reservoir, second one heat reservoir. The first one heat reservoir, it acts between two important heat reservoirs. The heat reservoir are those systems in the universe having the constancy of temperature, having the same temperature are known as heat reservoir. The constancy or same temperature may be either higher or that is of lower parameter. Once again, the selected imaginary device, the chosen imaginary cylinder which is taken for the conversion of heat into fractional work, such imaginary cylinder is known as that is of heat engine. This heat engine acts between two heat reservoirs. Heat reservoirs are those systems having the same temperature. Such systems in the universe are known as heat reservoir. Heat reservoir, the fundamental nature of heat reservoir either have higher of the temperature or lower of the temperature here. The subclassifications of heat reservoir, we will deliver my lecture tomorrow. With this lectures titled on Carnot cycle for an ideal gas, I will deliver with the completion of this one title. I will proceed the rest part and next part of this unit tomorrow. Thanks a lot.